Hi everyone, good morning. You have the potential? Use it. As an example, we use the car. Makikita mo yung speedometer, makikita mo kung ilan yung pwedeng takbuhin ng isang sasakyan. Gaano kabilis? Some says 100 per hour. Some says 100 per hour. Some says 200, 300, so on and so forth. Now, kung titignan natin, that is the potentials of the car. Minsan, yung sasakyan, pag nakatigil, masasabi natin, parang sayang, kasi dapat mas mabilis pa ang kaya ng takbuhin or gamitan. Minsan naman, bakit ganun? Katagal tong sasakyan na to, kabagal tong sasakyan na to na ang bagal ng takbo niya. Kaya naman tumakbo na ito ng 300 per kilometer. In real life, minsan we judge people as we do the same in the car. Nakakalungkot kasi most of the time, hindi alam ng tao kung ano yung kaya niyang potentials, kung anong meron siyang potentials. Only we know is that dangers come kapag hindi mo kayang i-access yung potential mo o hindi mo alam i-access yung potential mo. At mas naniniwala ka sa sasabihin ng tao based sa nakikita nila sa'yo kaysa sa sasabihin ng maker mo. Mas pinipili nating magtiwala sa sinasabi ng ibang tao tungkol sa atin without knowing that your maker, which is God, has already know and telling you what's your potential. At mas kilala niya tayo kaysa sa pagkakakilala sa atin ng ibang tao. He knows exactly our potentials that we can access, that we can do it. At sinasabi ng maker natin, ito yung potential mo, ito yung meron ka, ito yung dapat mong gawin. Ito yung dapat mong i-access, ito yung dapat mong gamitin. He's asking you to test it, to use it. Tumakbo ka because He knows, He is sure of it. Alam niya yung potential na meron ka. And the moment na di ka naniniwala sa sarili mo, sa maker mo, that was the danger comes. Kasi mas naniniwala ka sa sasabihin ng ibang tao sa'yo kung ano yung kaya mo patungkol sa'yo. Kung naniniwala ka sa ibang tao, hanggang dyan ka lang. Yan lang ang kaya mo. Yan lang yung tatatak sa'yo. Kasi mas naniniwala ka lang sa kung ano yung sasabihin nila. Ignorant comes to that. On that part, mas naniniwala tayo sa sasabihin ng iba kesa sa sinasabi ng maker natin. That's why we already need to read the word of our maker and His manual bilang guidance natin and to release the true potentials within us bilang tao. Nakakalimutan natin to na may potentials tayo, na we have the set potentials given by God. That's why, be given by our maker. That's why, tinatanong natin sa sarili natin minsan, sino ba ako? Ano ba yung kakayanin ko? Minsan, we ask people around us, do you really know kung sino ba talaga tayo? Our maker is set what we can do. He's telling you just to use the ability that you have on certain things that you can do, and He is sure of it. You have the potential. Use it. Try it. Hope you learned something. Thank you and God bless.